When we are 5 years old, we ask why non-stop. It's the one tool we have to understand the world around us. The world is always changing, and why is always a relevant question. It enables a more planned maintenance approach, and that alone, we'll show you, will help you reduce your maintenance costs an average of 25% and reduce downtime between 30 and 40%. Now is the time to act, to prepare. Business will rise again in the coming months, and companies need to be ready. Break and fix strategy. Spreadsheets track your maintenance. They're no longer an option with this outbreak. Planning ahead has become more important than ever, and we're going to show you exactly why. ManWinWin is one of the best CMMS in the world. Our team loves maintenance management, and we have 40 years of know-how and experience in doing this. You should check our webpage below to know why.